Hello everyone, this is a video about this Ovonni Oral Irrigator. This is mainly used for better oral hygiene, flossing and cleaning between the teeth and under the gum line. And it's some sort of alternative to flossing, but still I believe flossing is needed to clean your teeth, and this is in addition to that, and brushing as well. So I show you the box and then I pause the video and show you what it comes inside, and to avoid any delay or keep you waiting, I just open everything and I show you. And at the bottom is nothing, so I pause for a while and I get everything out for you. Everything comes in these 3 boxes. This one is for the charger, this one is for the accessories, and this one is for the device. So I get them out and I show you very shortly. Voila, everything is out now, and all of them, they are well packed in the cellophane bags and well protected, and I put this just to show you, and this one was in the bag as well. So this is the device, this is the induction charger, and this one is the USB to micro USB charging cable. Unfortunately this one is not coming with the wall charger, and apart from this tip, this nozzle, it comes with 2 extra ones in case that second person wants to use this, and a manual Ovonni Oral Irrigator and a travel pouch. And is some sort of velvety feeling to it, and it has a rope to close up the pouch. So these are everything that you get in that box, and the price of this is on eBay is under £24, and on Amazon is about £38. But I bought this on eBay site on a week sale for £9.99, and some of them they are offering it for $8.99, but mine is $9.99, and it's well worth it. Even I think for the £23, it still is a good device to have. So my charger is here, my power bank. I use the power bank to demonstrate how it's charging, and you just put the micro USB to the back of the induction base charger, and then for the purpose of this video I use my power bank, and as soon as you put it on a power bank, it is starting to charge, and this is fully charged at the moment. But when is in the process of charging, this light blinks like crazy. It's not very bright, but still drives you crazy. So it's better to put it in a cupboard or somewhere to avoid getting annoyed by the light. So we talked about all of this. we put this aside and we talk about the device itself. And we put this charging base on the side as well. And here is the device. It has the on and off button and the selector, which selects between each of these positions: normal, soft, pulse, and point control. This point control, also the light, works for the charging. And on point control, every time that you press this, it's just starting to work, and then it stops as soon as you release it. And then normal is just continuous, a jet of water until you press it again. And then the soft is a little bit less aggressive, and pulse is just pulsating the water, and the point control I demonstrated for you, because the water is not inside this, is not recommended to use this without any water. So I just demonstrated for you, and I used it, and I have to tell you, it's a good device for the price that I've bought. Still, I think if you buy it for the £24, still is a good device, and I recommend this for anyone who is interested in a better oral hygiene. And they use this for flossing and cleaning between the teeth, like a floss, and for bridges, implants, and in general cleaning under the gum line and between the teeth. Sometimes you can use this when you have some auto appliances in your mouth, the wire, they call it wire in your mouth, for straightening your teeth. And it's really good device. I fully recommend this, and it comes with 2 more nozzles for extra member of the family to use this. And it has a rechargeable battery. At the end of its life, you can unscrew these two and get the battery out and dispose the whole of this unit. Let's talk about the tank and how you put water in there. There is a door here that you can easily fill it with water and close it, but there is another way of filling this tank by sliding it down and then filling it like so from this end, and then you slide it back in fully. If you see, that gap should disappear, otherwise it's gonna leak while you are using it. And the container contains 130 milliliter of water, which is not enough, but for a portable device is good. And on a normal position, it lasts about 20 to 25 seconds, but on the pulse and soft and point control, it lasts a lot longer, like double the time, 40 seconds. But considering that filling it is so easy, is not such a big deal, because this is a portable device, so you don't expect to do it more than a minute or so, and that's more or less it. And the way that you put the nozzle in and take it out is just by pressing this button and then pulling this away, and again when you want to put it in, push this button and then push this inside, the nozzle inside, and it turns 360 degrees. And this is the tip of the nozzle, and this is the size of the whole device in comparison to my hand. Anyhow, this was a short video about Ovonni Oral Irrigator. I hope you like my video, and until my next video, have a great time and take care of yourself and each other.